There's currently a sale going on right now for MetaQuest games, the Power Play sale. Save up to 50% on certain games in the MetaQuest store, which some of the games include these games. Right here we have the game Pets and Stuff, Arcade Paradise VR. Now this will be running till April 26th, but if your game isn't currently on sale in the MetaQuest store, or it's after the 26th and you're watching this, don't worry, I got you. You can use code TECH for 10% off. Even games that aren't on this list of games that are on sale, and games, like I said, that you'll see that you want after the sale ends. You can use code TECH to check them out. So yeah, this actually looks like a good list. Now Realmcraft, I've heard good things about overall. I personally haven't played Realmcraft. I'll put a link in the description below to it since I'm talking about it. But I've heard real good things about Realmcraft. It's supposed to be like basically Minecraft but for VR, right? So yeah, that seems like it could be fun, honestly. Anyway, if you do decide to check out Realmcraft or any other game, feel free to. Like I said, the sale does run for 8 more days, but if you miss the sale, feel free to use code TECH for 10% off. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.